Thailand is, the really growing the market, and I think very promising. Also the futures and all other region is, but still, our presence is small in Thailand. Last years, our market share is 7%. As the ASEAN region, only 6%. So that we have a lot of opportunity in Thailand as well as the ASEAN regions. So then we, bring the good product, competitive product, and also our, the competitive pricing and enhancing the network. Maybe we can have big opportunity. So that we have already make a very strong plan that increase the triple in the sales in all ASEAN regions up to 500,000 units. This big growth will contribute our Nissan Power 88 globally.
In July, we announced our Thailand midterm plan, and scope is the same as the Power 88, and for the coming 6 years. And we announced our market share. At this moment, fiscal year 10, our market share was 7.4%, but we will make it double to the more than 15% market share in fiscal year 16. That is our program. And how we can do it is first, of course, we are going to introduce the more than 10 new models within the coming 5-6 years period. And also the second, we are going to further enhance our network quality, and also we are going to expand the network coverage and also the numbers. So within the 3-4 years period, we are going to increase the number of the outlets. Now we have about 160 outlets, but it will be 210 the outlet within the fiscal year 13. So this is the second, I think, our strategy. And the third one is now in the Thailand, just from the last year, we launched the Nissan March. It is the government, something like a government collaboration program. Just yesterday, we launched the Nissan Almera. It is the Sunny or Versa in the United States or maybe in China, the same model utilizing a B platform. And we have to definitely succeed in the EcoCar program. And we are always the lead the market in this segment. And our current direction is to establish the very solid the EcoCar leadership in the markets. And based on that, we would like to enhance also establish their brand image, utilizing this EcoCar success. Last year, around June, we started the export of the Nissan March to Japan. And of course, that is the very challenging task that was. And we enhanced the quality level of the March so much. And we are now having the special line, inspection line. We call it the NEN-ED line. It is it's a quality deconfirmation, or such kind of, let's say, the process now is being conducted. And if we talk about the quality, we have a very strong confidence to keep the good quality of the car. It's of course the Nissan standard, global standards. So even this model is produced in the emerging countries, but I 100% believe that this model is also well accepted in all over the world. So as far as I understand, even in Japan, every year we are planning to export about 50,000 Nissan March. But according to the feedback from the Nissan Japan M1SJ team, that this March doesn't have any critical the quality problems, and also the market is so much accepting our Thai-made Nissan March. So that such kind of philosophy is also applied to the other models, not only for the export models but also for the domestic models. So we understand that this the export program to Japan was a very good learning for the Nissan Motor Thailand to further improve our the quality.
But our growth accelerates thanks to the success of our March. This is the first eco car of the Thailand. And this product completely meets customer needs. Also, the very good qualities and very competitive cost. And after introduction of this very competitive product, we can also enhancing our network. So then product and sales network and good quality services, I think success was a factor of in Thailand. We have to always focus on the customer needs and how to meet the customer expectation. This is basic, and we try to make a competitive pricing and enhancing the network. This is, I think, a common element for enhancing or improving our market presence in other regions also.
With the government program, EcoCar program, we understand the Thailand people also started thinking about eco-friendly, and because of that, our current March, and also I think the Nissan Almera, which we launched yesterday, will have a very good success in the Thailand market. EcoCar program gradually, I think, expanding. And this program is not only from Nissan, but also from the Honda, Suzuki, Mitsubishi, Toyota. So the eco-car, I think, boom will be furthermore generated. And after that, definitely, the government will start thinking about how to introduce the electric vehicle in the markets. So if we talk about right now, of course, the electric vehicle needs some infrastructure development, and definitely we need some support from the governments. So it's not now, but of course after the eco car, the booming, and after furthermore eco-friendly environment, within the several years or maybe 5 years later, in those scope, the EV requirements to the market will be furthermore, I think, enhanced. And we already started, the very deep communication with the governments, how we can support or we can collaborate with the governments to introduce the electric vehicle to the markets. So in any occasion, we start the program to enhance the electric vehicle awareness in the market. So, for example, like a motor show, and even in the next month, we are going to have a board of the investment, BOI fair. It's something like an expo to talk about the future products. So, in this kind of occasion, we are going to have a big pavilion to explain about our electric vehicle, the technology. So, once the market is ready, once the government is ready, we have a product, and we have of course a technology. So I think we are going to well prepared to introduce the electric vehicle once time comes.